I don't know what I should do after high school.
What about manufacturing?
What's so cool about manufacturing?
Well, manufacturing is all about making stuff and the parts for the stuff we use every day. Some things are small and simple and weigh only a couple pounds and are used in other machines. Others are large and may weigh hundreds of pounds.
Well, where can I do that?
I'll let David Henrici at BTM Incorporated tell you more.
BTM was started in 1988 by the late Dean Beers and his wife Nancy. It started with just Dean working after his job. After hours, he started a little company in a garage, and it's built into this since then.
Steve Hydro, CNC machinist. This here machine, the chuck automatically rotates to each hole and drills the hole and continuously repeats.
Name's Cameron Arner. I work at BTM, do manual lathe work. Just turn and bore parts, make rings, sleeves, nuts, anything you can kind of think of.
Technical schooling, they're a good starting point for hands-on learning of manual and CNC equipment.
About 4 years ago, I started up here at CCTI. Everything up there was pretty much the same what I do here. It's just here you do a little tighter tolerance stuff.
Don't just do it for a job. Do it because you like it.
Well, my dad does it. Watch what he was doing when I was growing up, and I like doing it.
Wow, I'm really interested in manufacturing now, and you should check out manufacturing too. Big thanks to BTM Incorporated for having us.
Thank you, BTM!